Good morning, children. Today you are welcome in my class. For today, my topic is polyester. As we are studying synthetic fiber and plastic, so for today, my topic is polyester fiber. Polyester fiber is a synthetic fiber, means man-made fiber. It is made totally by human. It is not natural fiber, but it is an artificial fiber, and it contains many groups of ester. From the name of polyester, poly means many and ester means ester is a group. Polyester is a fiber which contains many groups of ester. Polyester, it is a fiber of ester group, and poly means so many. So polyester is a fiber which is made up of many ester group, and it is made from repeating unit. And from the name of polyester, we came to know that many repeating monomers are repeatedly formed the unit of ester, and repeatedly formation of unit of fiber is known as ester fiber, and this ester fiber is formed after repeatedly formation of ester group. The main popular fiber of this group, I mean to say polyester group, is terylene. You have seen the fabrics of terylene, my dear children. So terylene is the fiber of polyester. Terylene is made from the fiber of polyester, and it is a fiber which is made from petroleum product. As we have learned about nylon also, nylon is made up of petroleum product. Such like that, polyester is also made up of petroleum product, and that petroleum product is known as petrochemicals, because that petroleum product is chemically reacted to form this fiber polyester. So it is made up of petroleum product, and that petroleum product from which polyester is made is known as petrochemicals. Now, all the properties of polyester is just like your nylon, means this fiber is just like nylon fiber, shining in nature, lustrous, and elasticity is present in polyester also, but it is stronger. This fiber, polyester fiber, is stronger than that of nylon also. The fibers are stronger than nylon, shining in nature, lustrous, strong. All those things were also in nylon, but one thing is different, that this polyester is stronger, fiber is stronger than that of nylon. Now, so many other fibers are made. means the pteryline is the popular fiber of polyester. Then pteryline is mixed with cotton to form the new fiber. That fiber is known as terrycotton. You have seen the fabrics of terrycotton also. And terry wool means wool is mixed up with pteryline fiber to form terry wool, and cotton is mixed with pteryline to form terrycotton fibers. Means other fibers are also made from polyester by mixing cotton as well as wool. Now, what are the uses? The uses of polyester are as follows. It is made of sari is made from polyester. Dress, uniform, dresses, dress materials are also made from polyester. Curtain are also made from polyester fiber. And sailboat, you have seen the boat, since there is no effect and it dries up very quickly when it comes in contact with water. So sailboats are also made from polyester fiber. And water hoses are also made, that hoses which are utilized during the firefighting. Means when the firefighters goes with their hoses, those containers of water are also made from polyester fiber. Thank you, children. It was the topic for today. I will give you some question on my topic which you will do in your copy. Thank you.